Happy New Year, beautiful people. As we step into this new beginning, it's a perfect time to focus on attracting abundance into our lives. Many of us aspire to enrich various aspects of our lives, whether it's health, wealth, or personal growth. This year, let's shift our mindset and explore practical steps to open doors to prosperity and success. Understanding that abundance isn't just about financial gain, but a holistic improvement in our life's quality will set the foundation for what we are about to dive into. When we talk about abundance, what exactly comes to mind? Often, the first thought is money, but abundance encompasses so much more. It's about living a life filled with fulfilling relationships, robust health, personal growth, and, yes, financial prosperity. As we begin this new year, let's redefine what abundance means to us. It's essential to recognize that abundance is a state of being, permeated by a sense of sufficiency, a feeling that there is enough for everyone. By broadening our understanding of abundance, we equip ourselves with the right mindset to attract varied forms of prosperity. Think of abundance as an expansive concept that adapts to your life's needs and aspirations. It's about feeling rich in every part of your life. This holistic approach not only amplifies our own experiences, but also allows us to give generously to others. When we view abundance in this light, our actions and thoughts align with a broader perspective of wealth, enhancing our ability to attract and appreciate the full spectrum of what life has to offer. When we talk about abundance, what exactly comes to mind? Often, the first thought is money, but abundance encompasses so much more. It's about living a life filled with fulfilling relationships, robust health, personal growth, and, yes, financial prosperity. As we begin this new year, let's redefine what abundance means to us. It's essential to recognize that abundance is a state of being, permeated by a sense of sufficiency, a feeling that there is enough for everyone. By broadening our understanding of abundance, we equip ourselves with the right mindset to attract varied forms of prosperity. Think of abundance as an expansive concept that adapts to your life's needs and aspirations. It's about feeling rich in every part of your life. This holistic approach not only amplifies our own experiences, but also allows us to give generously to others. When we view abundance in this light, our actions and thoughts align with a broader perspective of wealth, enhancing our ability to attract and appreciate the full spectrum of what life has to offer. Entering the new year with a belief in abundance is just the beginning. Now, let's talk about visualization, a powerful tool in manifesting the life you desire. Visualization involves creating clear and compelling pictures in your mind of what your abundant life looks like. When you regularly visualize your goals as already achieved, you not only strengthen your belief in their possibility, but also align your subconscious mind with the outcomes you want to achieve. This practice is about seeing yourself living in abundance before it physically manifests. Begin by setting aside a few minutes each day to close your eyes and vividly imagine your life filled with the prosperity you seek. See yourself handling the success you aspire to achieve, whether it's thriving in a fulfilling career, enjoying harmonious relationships, or maintaining robust health. The key here is consistency. The more frequently you visualize these scenes, the more ingrained they become in your psyche, effectively programming your brain to recognize and seize opportunities that can make these visions a reality. Closely linked to visualization is the practice of using affirmations. Affirmations are positive, present tense statements that help you to internalize your belief in your ability to attract abundance. They work by reinforcing the visualizations and beliefs you've cultivated, solidifying your mindset towards abundance. For example, stating, "I am attracting endless opportunities for personal and professional growth this year," serves as a daily reinforcement of your goals. To integrate affirmations into your daily routine, begin your day by speaking a few affirmations aloud. Choose statements that resonate with your visions of abundance and reflect the outcomes you visualized. Repeating these affirmations helps to embed these positive beliefs in your mind, acting as constant reminders of what you're capable of achieving. The simplicity of affirmations makes them a potent tool for maintaining a positive mindset and fostering an environment ripe for prosperity. While we build upon our practices of visualization and affirmations, introducing gratitude into our daily routine becomes the next vital step. Gratitude is not just about being thankful. It's a powerful tool that magnifies the abundance already present in our lives and attracts more. By focusing on what we already have, we shift our mindset from one of lack to one of plenty, which naturally aligns with the law of attraction. To integrate gratitude effectively, consider starting or ending your day by listing 3 things you are grateful for. This could be as simple as appreciating a good meal, acknowledging a productive day at work, or valuing the support of family and friends. This practice helps to anchor your day in positivity and opens your eyes to the abundance that surrounds you, often going unnoticed. Regularly acknowledging these aspects of your life enhances your overall sense of well-being and tunes your mind to recognize and generate more positive experiences and opportunities. One of the most significant barriers to attracting abundance is our own set of limiting beliefs. These are the negative thoughts and doubts that creep in and tell us we can't achieve what we're aiming for. Overcoming these beliefs is essential to manifesting the abundance we visualize and affirm daily. Start by identifying your most pervasive limiting beliefs. Common ones might include thoughts like, "I don't deserve success," or "abundance is for others, not for me." Once identified, challenge these beliefs by asking yourself their basis and if they are genuinely true. Often, you'll find these beliefs are based on past experiences or external influences that no longer serve you. To dismantle these limiting beliefs, replace them with empowering beliefs that support your abundance. Every time a limiting thought arises, counter it with a positive affirmation related to your goals of prosperity. For example, if you catch yourself thinking, "I'm not good enough to succeed," immediately replace it with, "I am fully capable and deserving of success." This practice not only combats negative thoughts, but also strengthens your mental framework to be more conducive to attracting abundance. Building a routine filled with gratitude and actively overcoming limiting beliefs lays a strong foundation for not just expecting abundance, but actively inviting it into our lives. These practices ensure that our mindset is optimized for recognizing and seizing the opportunities that will lead us towards the prosperous life we envision. With a mindset fortified by gratitude and freed from limiting beliefs, the next step in attracting abundance this new year involves taking inspired action. Action is the bridge between our inner visions and their manifestation in the physical world. While it's essential to visualize and believe in the possibility of abundance, these must be paired with deliberate actions that move us toward our goals. To implement inspired action, begin by setting clear, achievable goals that resonate with your vision of abundance. Break these goals down into small, manageable steps that you can start taking immediately. For instance, if your goal is to improve your financial abundance, actions might include reviewing your current financial situation, setting a budget, seeking financial advice, or exploring new income opportunities. The key is to ensure that each action is intentional and directly contributes to achieving your broader goals. Consistency in your actions and mindset is crucial for attracting and maintaining abundance. The practices of visualization, affirmations, gratitude, and challenging limiting beliefs are not one-off tasks. They need to become part of your daily routine to affect real change. Consistency helps to cement these practices into habits, which over time naturally align your life with the principles of abundance. Maintaining consistency might seem challenging, but it can be managed by setting a regular schedule for your practices. For instance, dedicate specific times for visualization and affirmations each day, perhaps in the morning or right before bed. Keep a gratitude journal where you note down things you're thankful for at the end of each day. Regularly review and adjust your actions towards your goals, ensuring they are always aligned with your desired outcomes. By staying consistent, you ensure that your efforts to attract abundance are ongoing and that your mindset remains focused and positive. As we continue to apply the practices of taking inspired action and maintaining consistency, it becomes essential to incorporate a phase of reflection and adaptation. This stage is about periodically assessing the effectiveness of our strategies and making necessary adjustments to stay aligned with our goals of attracting abundance. Reflecting allows us to recognize our achievements, understand our setbacks, and identify new opportunities for growth. To effectively integrate reflection into your journey towards abundance, schedule regular review sessions, perhaps monthly or quarterly. During these sessions, evaluate your progress towards your goals, assess which practices are working well, and identify areas where improvements can be made. Ask yourself if your actions are still in alignment with your initial vision of abundance, or if they need to be adjusted to respond to new circumstances or insights. This process of continual adaptation ensures that your approach remains dynamic and responsive to your life's evolving conditions and your growing understanding of what abundance means to you. Attracting abundance is not merely a goal for the new year, but a lifelong endeavor. The practices discussed, from visualization and affirmations to gratitude, action, and reflection, should not be seen as temporary or only relevant for short-term gains. Instead, they should be viewed as components of a continuous practice that nurtures and grows with you over time. To encourage a lifelong practice of attracting abundance, integrate these habits into your daily life as permanent elements. Make them as routine as your morning coffee or evening wind down. The more ingrained these practices become in your lifestyle, the more natural it will feel to live abundantly. This ongoing commitment will not only help you achieve your immediate goals for the new year, but will also establish a foundation for sustained abundance throughout your life. By reflection and adaptation and committing to a lifelong practice of these principles, we ensure that our journey towards abundance continues to evolve and enrich us. This is not just about achieving specific goals, but about fostering a perpetual state of growth and fulfillment. Attracting abundance into your life is a multifaceted process that involves much more than wishful thinking. It requires a deep commitment to personal growth, continual practice of positive mental habits, and a willingness to take consistent actions aligned with your goals. This new year, let's remember that every step we take is part of a broader, ongoing journey towards living a life full of abundance. By remaining committed to this process, we not only enhance our own lives, but also contribute to a richer, more prosperous world around us. Here's to a year filled with abundance, growth, and success.